the thirsty dog solar fountain. Just look at his face. Any dog lover is sure to just melt. Our friend the bloodhound is thirsty, so he just jumped up for a little drink. The water bubbles out of the top with a gentle trickling sound thanks to the included submersible pump. This faux bronze fountain stands about 27 inches tall, which isn't a problem for our other thirsty friends. Have a smaller friend who needs a drink? She may need a boost. This fountain is super easy to set up. Just take the cord from the pump, feed it through the water outlet pipe, and out the bottom of the fountain. Fasten the pump underneath the top of the fountain and place the top over the spout. Then fill with water and take the end of the cord you fed through and attach it to the transformer. Place the solar panel in the sun and voila! To make the fountain smart, simply plug the included DC adapter into the transformer as well. It will automatically use solar power when there's enough light and switch to power grid electricity when there isn't.
Go play! Yeah, go play!